Good morning. I'm coming to you from Picayune. I hope I'm saying that right. Mississippi, down here close to the Louisiana border. As you can tell from the sign behind me, we're here for another Amtrak station tour. Not quite sure what we're going to see at this one, but let's check out what we can check out. Let's go make some memories.
Special shout out to our channel members. Thank you so much for all your support. If you would like to become a channel member, hit that join button down below. There are some really fun benefits. Come have a look.
Alright, so the parking lot's back here. Check that out. There's an old, I'll go walk by that in a second before we leave. There's a chemical car there from Mississippi down here. Let's see what else we got up here. The sky's not looking promising. It's looking like rain. So we've got 3 sets of tracks here. Authorized personnel only, which we're not authorized. We got the little Amtrak sign up here, which is cool, like we always see. And I'm just gonna walk the platform, see what we see. And there's the building over there. It says it's an unstaffed building, and it says visitor center, so I don't even know if it's used for Amtrak at all anymore. I'll try and see what I can find and check it out. Maybe I can pop in there if it's a visitor center. So then see, looking at the sign here, this one I like better because it says Atlanta and New York. It's that direction to the north. And then obviously the last stop on this line going this way is New Orleans. So you guys already know what's in this building here. I hear church bells ringing. This is the wheelchair lift over here. One cool thing, I don't know if it's technically part of this station or not, but there's some picnic tables down here. A couple picnic tables with umbrellas. Oh, and there's food trucks down here. So when you get off the train, if you're lucky enough to be here when these food trucks are operating, which they are right now, shoot, I might go down there and get some lunch. They've got a couple of food trucks down here. There's one selling coffee. This one I don't know what it has. There's one with coffee, and there's some picnic tables. Good place to come and sit. Oh yeah, this is the end of the platform going this way. There's a couple interesting things. There's like a giant root beer sign. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna walk down there and go see. So it's like when you do these Amtrak station tours, yeah, you can do your research on them. You can look up the history of the building itself, but they're ever changing. You know, there's been stations we've been to 12 months ago that now are being completely renovated and redone. So, you know, you can only do so much research to find out what's open, what's not. There's been times I've been told stuff's open and it's locked. Times I expect stuff to be locked and it's open. All right, so let's see what else is around here. I'm not completely sure. They got a Mountain Dew vending machine. You know, I gotta go take a look at that. Anybody who knows me knows I love some Mountain Dew. Got a couple of nice benches here to sit. $1.25 for a 20 ounce? Is that right? I've been seeing 20 ounce for $1.25 in a long time. This is the waiting area. Part of the visitor center here. Oh wow, look at the stuff they have in here. Cool. Super Chief. Little Santa Fe. That's cool. And you can see that just how widespread this activity is that continues to fire up. There's a museum, transportation museum in here. Looks like it might be closed at the moment. Maroon Tide. Even down here by the restrooms, they got all kinds of stuff. State champs, 2011. Good job, guys. Pull handle to blow train whistle. Enjoy. Try it again. Woo! I guess it didn't work. So let's go see what this, let's go see what this train car is. It's talking about this tank car. Crocs 2027 was originally owned by the Crosby Chemical Company and then sold to Arizona Chemical. When Arizona Chemical closed, it was donated to the city of Picayune. The track on which it's located is part of an original spur dating back to 1880. So these tracks here are from 1880. Well, that's pretty neat. Let's see what this car looks like. No climbing or standing. Huh. That's pretty neat. Sorry, let me kind of give you a little showdown of the area here. On the other side of the tracks over this way, there's a collision center for cars. A couple other businesses here. There's a church you can see in the distance, a place called Stonewalls. I'm not sure what that is. And then going this way, there's Nationwide Insurance, an antique store, furniture, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, a day spa, a real estate company, a Creole, the Creole kitchen. That sounds good. A barber shop. Another auto shop. And this town seems walkable too. The people that we've encountered here have been friendly. It seems like a nice little area if you hop off the train here, I suppose. So we peeked in that red food truck there. The one that's right there is coffee. There's another one behind it that was snowballs, which are like, like frosty, like ice cream, frozen ice. It said gringo tacos. It said sorry, I hear sirens and train horns. There's a lot of activity in this town. It says that it sold, I said gringo tacos, chicken tamales was a specialty today. That place had a solid line. We just decided not to get anything from there because, as you may or may not be able to see in the video, it's starting to rain. And we've still got a whole day of driving and exploring to do. And we are going to probably try to go to lunch later on, maybe at like Chick-fil-A or something. So we're just going to keep it moving because being that they had such a long line, the wait to get some tacos was probably pretty long. So I was kind of waiting on that freight train back there. He keeps making moves and making sounds with the horn, but it's starting to rain, so I gotta go. All right, so the train station's right here. I came down on the other side. You guys saw me filming from up there a second ago. There's the food trucks over there. This food truck over here, the whole time we've been here, probably 20-30 minutes, it's had a solid line of 4 or 5 people in line the whole time. So I don't know what they sell, but it must be good. And then this was the Frost Top root beer. That's pretty cool. That's the thing I saw from up above. That's pretty neat. So this is going to wrap up our quick visit here to Picayune, the Amtrak station. We were able to go inside the little visitor center. It's kind of neat. And there was a little museum. Too bad we couldn't get inside of that. I don't know when that's open. It said to ask for assistance to get in, but it's not open at the moment. So I don't know if it's maybe done by volunteers. I'm not sure. But definitely worth coming and trying to check out if you're in the area. And the station itself, this whole general kind of area right here is pretty neat. Little walkable downtown area. If you like our Amtrak videos, please hit that like button. It helps us out a lot. Leave us a comment. You ever traveled through this city on or off the train? And am I pronouncing it right? Picayune? Picayune? I'm not sure. I would guess Picayune. Picayune? I would guess Picayune. That's how I would say it. Alright, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if I'm butchering your city name. If I am, I apologize. Share this video with anybody you know who likes Amtrak travel, train travel in general, anything related to trains. Alright guys, safe travels. We'll see you down the rails. We'll see you soon.